Hello, I'm teacher Eric. Welcome to today's video lesson. In this video lesson, I will be teaching you the pronunciation of the ed ending in regular verbs in English. As you may know, all regular verbs in English end in ed. But how exactly am I supposed to pronounce this ed? Well, we have three different pronunciations. We have ed, d. Let me repeat that for you. Ed, d. Well, we have these three pronunciations, but when am I going to use each of these pronunciations? Well, let me show you. The first pronunciation, id, is going to be used when we have verbs that end in t or d. For example, we have visit, need. In the past, we pronounce them visited, needed, visited, needed. So every time that we have verbs that end in t or d, we pronounce the ed like id. Okay, let's move on to the second pronunciation. Okay, we use this pronunciation when we have verbs that end in the following letters. Okay, they are marked in red. We have the letters P, K, GH, SH, CH, double S, X, or C. In the last one, okay, I know the last letter is the letter E, but this E is not pronounced in this word. That is why we are marking the letter C, which is the last letter that produces a sound in the word. So every time that we have these endings, we pronounce the ed like. Let me show you. First, I'm going to do it one by one. First the infinitive and then the past. Help, helped. Cook, cooked. Laugh, laughed. Wash, washed. Watch, watched. Kiss, kissed. Mix, mixed. Dance, danced. So every time that you have verbs and you realize that they have the endings that we marked there in red, you pronounce the ed like. The last pronunciation is d. Okay, just as in the previous example, we marked some letters in red, which are the letters that produce the last sound of each verbs. We have in red the letters L, N, R, G, V, Z, V, and M. So whenever we have these letters at the end of the verbs, we pronounce the ed like d. Okay, I will show you again one by one. First the infinitive and then the past form of these verbs. So we have call, cold, clean, cleaned, offer, offered, damage, damaged, love, loved, amaze, amazed, rob, robbed, claim, claimed. So whenever we have these endings of the verbs, the ones that are in red, we pronounce the ed like d. We also use the pronunciation d when we have words that may have some endings sounding like vowels, even though we have maybe some consonants. For example, we have the W or the Y. They are consonants, but in the examples that we have here, they sound like vowels. So for example, we have follow. In the past, we have followed. Continue. Well, these two words sound like you. Okay, continue. In the past, we say continued. Play, played, try, tried. So in these examples, we have some combination of words, or we have some combination of letters, or letters that sound like vowels, so we have to pronounce them, the ed, like d. Okay, so that's it for today. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to write your comments, and I will be reading your comments and suggestions for further videos. That's it for now. Thank you so much. Bye.